Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Extrude Intersect, Fillet, and Shell. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we make, we'll create a line here with 200 millimeters and create two lines here with 25 millimeters and create this arc with 225 millimeters. Okay, then we will extrude this distance here. It is 75 millimeters. Okay, so open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select line, make a line here with 200 millimeters. Go to constraints and select the midpoint, select the line and the center point here. Now select the line again, make a line here with 25 millimeters. And another line here with 25 millimeters. Go to constraints, horizontal, vertical. Okay. Now go to create, select the arc, 3-point arc. Click at this point and this point here, make an arc here. Go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 225 millimeters. And finish the sketch. We made this. Now we need to go to Extrude and select this profile. The direction, symmetric, measurement, whole length, and the distance, 75 millimeters. Operation new body, press OK. We made this. Okay. Now we will select the top plane and make this sketch. And the first thing that we'll create a line here, a center line with 125 millimeters. Here is the midpoint. So we will create this circle here with 40 millimeters of diameter and create this arc here with 37.5 millimeters. Okay. And create the same in this side here. So open the Fusion here, go to create a sketch, select the top plane, select line, construction line, make a construction line here with 125 millimeters. Go to constraint, select the midpoint, select this line and the center point here. Now select the circle, remove the construction line type here, make a circle here with 40 millimeters. And create another one here on this side. Select constraints and select equal. Okay. Now go to create, select the arc, center point arc, click here at this point. The radius here is 37.5 millimeters. Make an arc here. Go to constraint, select horizontal, vertical, select this point and this point here. And make another arc on this side, 37.5 millimeters. Go to constraint, select horizontal, vertical, select this point and this point here, and select this point and this point here. Okay. Now here we need to create this arc with 150 millimeters of radius, and this arc is tangent with this arc and with this one. Okay, so go to create, select the arc, 3-point arc, click here in this point and this point, make an arc here, and go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 150 millimeters. And go to constraints, tangent, select this arc and this point here. Okay. And now go to create, select the mirror, select this arc and the mirror line, select this mirror line here and press OK. We made this. Okay. Now finish the sketch. Go to Extrude, select all this profile and show the body one. and move this here. The operation here is intersect, and the distance here 95 millimeters. It's enough. Operation intersect and press OK. We made this. Okay. Now show the sketch 2, and I will hide the body 1 a little bit. Go to extrude, select this profile here, this circle and this one. We needed to extrude this 50 millimeters, okay? So show the body 1 and extrude this, the distance 50 millimeters. Operation join and press OK. Hide the sketch 2. We made this. Now we will create this circle here. The diameter 40 millimeters and the distance between the center and the midpoint is 25 millimeters, okay? And we needed to extrude this 70 millimeters. So go to create and select the front plane, select the circle, make a circle here with 40 millimeters of diameter, and go to sketch dimension. The distance between the circle and the midpoint here is 25 millimeters. Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and the midpoint here, and finish the sketch. Go to extrude. The direction symmetric, measurement whole length, and the distance here 70 millimeters. Operation join and press OK. We made this. Okay. Now we will make the fillet here. All the fillet here is 5 millimeters. So we have a fillet here and this edge, the fillet here and this edge here, and this is the same for the other side, okay? So 5 millimeters of fillet. So go to modify, select fillet, select this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge here, and this one. 5 millimeters. We made this. Press OK. I will add some color here. Let me change this color. Okay. Let me select the fillet here. Sorry. I'll change this to red. Okay, we made this. Now we needed to remove this face here, this face, and the thickness here will be 3 millimeters, okay? So let's create this, and we need to remove the bottom face. So go to modify, select shell, select this face here, this face, this face, this face, and the bottom face here. And the inside thickness here is 3 millimeters. And press OK. Let me inspect this. We made this, okay? So let me add some color here. And here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.